exploring the Forex Robotron EA V29 for MT4, one of the most powerful and consistent trading bots designed for MetaTrader 4. It's built to analyze the market automatically, identify profitable trade setups, and execute them with precision. Whether you're a beginner or a professional trader, this EA is known for its reliability, accuracy, and effortless plug-and-play setup. Let's dive in and see how it performs in real backtesting. After downloading the Forex Robotron EA V29 package, you'll find the EA file installation instructions and a README guide inside the folder. Simply copy the .x4 file into your MT4 Experts folder, restart your terminal, and attach the EA to your desired chart. Now let's move on to the backtesting part. As you can see, Forex Robotron EA V29 is running on the GBPUSD M15 timeframe, executing trades based on its powerful internal logic. The EA opens positions precisely at optimal moments, maintaining stable equity growth throughout the session. Even during short-term pullbacks, the bot manages to control drawdown efficiently while maintaining consistent profits. The balance curve you see on screen shows a steady upward movement, confirming strong profitability and risk control. This test, it generated $479 profit on a $1,000 deposit, achieving a profit factor of 11.65 with 0 losing trade. Each trade was calculated with precision, reflecting how the EA adapts to market volatility and avoids overexposure. The results clearly highlight that Forex Robotron V29 is designed for accuracy, low drawdown, and smooth capital growth, making it ideal for both small and large accounts. Forex Robotron EA V29 MT4 is now available for free download on Forex Premium, along with the set file and user manual. It works on all major pairs, any time frame, and requires only a $100 minimum deposit. Join our Forex Premium Telegram channel for more expert advisors and trading bots like this. Download instantly from yoforex.org and start testing your strategy today.